Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel QAQC Technical Game. Our today's topic is how to perform hydro test for pressure vessels. In pressure test, mainly two types involved. First is water test and second is air test. In if we use water, then we call it hydro test, and if we use air, then we call it pneumatic test. For hydro test, we go with UG 99 as per ASME section 8 division 1, and for pneumatic test we go with UG 100 as per ASME section 8 division 1. This diagram shows the typical setup of hydro test. We can discuss it in further slides. This is a typical setup of pneumatic test. In this we have two pressure gauge, test manifolds, piping test system. In this video our mainly focus on hydro test. The purpose of hydro test: to check integrity of test joint. Integrity means we weld two different pieces or pipes or plates with close isolated system. We can check the integrity of the joint withstand with minimal allowable pressures. It withstand or not. To check leakage of the welding, to check leakage in weld joints, to detect cracks. What is the requirements? The pressure gauge 2 nos minimum. We need 2 pressure gauge, minimum 2 nos. Pressure relief valves, test manifold, pump at adequate capacity, water certificate, it shows pH level in this certificate, blinds for isolating the ends, inlet and outlet position should be defined, vent shall be at the top position, drain should be at the lowest position. In pressure testing we have two main parameter which should be considered at a time of the testing, which is the pressure. Pressure is the most important parameter which to be checked properly. The test pressure is always 1.5 times of the design pressure. Design pressure we can take from drawings and clients. This pressure in pressure relief valve is 1.05 times pressure test pressure. Sequence to perform hydro test: blind equipments and keep one flange open to fill the water. Means isolate the system which is not have any leakages or leakages in system, and one side open to fill water. Pressure gauge and pressure relief valve shall be installed. Bolt shall be tightened as per torquing requirement. We have different torquing requirement to different bolting. We as per requirement we can provide torque and tight bolts. Hydro pump shall be attached. Hydro pump attached at adequate capacity. Water shall be filled at the maximum level. Open the vent valve. Start the pressure for rising a pump. Keep the running and observe the gauge pressure. If we start the pressure rising in pump, we need to keep running pressure and observe the gauge pressure at required. In this we can build pressure with help of pump and by hand pump also. The rate of pressure is equal to 100 psi per minute. In this hydro test we can not increase suddenly pressure. We increase in step by step. First 1/4 p-test pressure. In second half into p-test pressure. In third check 1/3 p-test pressure. Third check, and at each test of pressure we can check, and at a full pressure we can hold it some time and note it, the duration of the time we can hold it. In case any leakage we found, we need to depressurize the system and mark the leakage and correct it. Before and after the pressure test. Before the pressure test we can check outer circumference and noted its reading. We also check the NDT summary shall be verified. Dimensional verification should be done. Safety procedure shall be check and comply, and isolate the area of pressure in our test procedure area. Check the list signed by QC. Checklist should be signed by QC, safety and production member. Hydro test crew shall be trained. This person who are performing hydro test, they should be trained and they know all needed things. After the hydro test we check outer circumference deformation. Once released by QC, checking leakage. Open the well valve slowly and depressurize the system. Now open the drain valve. Drain the water from the vessel. Vent shall be without open it will be deformed and reject. If we not open drain valve, then the pressure vessel is deformed and it is not match with our required dimension. For this reason we shall be open vent valve compulsorily at a time of releasing the depressurizing the system. Open the additional fastener and blind flanges. Clean the serration flanges and protection without masking tape, rubber, wooden blind. Serration get damaged. Release for printing. In this way we can learn how to perform hydro test.